Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Melody Susie Sweet Reverie. This color is Rose Hermosa. I'll be using Red Iguana Foil Transfer Gel and Mundo de Unas Valentines 1 and Maniology's Baroque. I'm starting off with Betty Cora Medium Almond Nail Tips today. And I'll be starting with Model 1's base coat. Now these are polishes that have to be cured under a UV LED lamp. So I know this is not normal for me. I normally do regular nail polish, but I wanted to do some foils successfully. Alright, base coat on, cure for 60 seconds. And here is Melody Susie Sweet Reverie and Rose Hermosa, or as the bottle was labeled, number 4. What is up with that? I don't like that stuff. Alright. Going a little backwards on the brushing here. I can do that when I'm playing on nail tips. Love it. Cure that for 60 seconds. We're going to go in for a second coat. And get that nice and opaque. I just like to have a base behind my foils. Whether they're see-through ones or cover-all ones. I like to have something underneath them. I'll cure that for 60 seconds under the UV LED lamp. And I didn't really use this lamp. I used a different one. I am wiping the back of the foils with some alcohol. It's a step I forget often. I'm going to let that dry. Here is the Red Iguana Foil Nail Glue. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, that's what we're going with. And I'm not doing a thickums coat. I'm just doing like a regular coat. Not thick, not too thin, just regular. I know that's subjective. Alright, gonna get that on there. And we're gonna cure that for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna go in with the nail foils. And I picked this one. It's kind of marbly looking. Got a little yellowy, orange, purple, pink to it, which is why I picked a pink base. And I'm just going in with my fingernail and just kind of rubbing it down. And now I'm going in with my little Maniology tool. I call it my little boot tool because it looks like a little boot or a hoof. Anyway, I love this thing. I love it. So I'm rubbing it in. And I did not wipe this nail with any alcohol or anything after I cured the Red Iguana in the lamp. I just went straight in with the foil. So, got a little bit more. And there we go. Beautiful success. Yay. I did all the nails that way. And now I'm going in with the Model 1's top coat. This is the glossy top coat. Get that so pretty. Now, you could wear these just like this and it'd be just stunning. But, you know, I knew Valentine's Day was coming, so I figured I better squeeze in at least 1 or 2 Valentine manis. Curing that for 60 seconds. So we'll be using MdU Valentines 1 stamping plate and Maniology's Baroque dark purple luscious. I love it. Got my stamper and scraper from Maniology. It gets a little cube stamper today. And I'm just going to pull some different images off of this plate and have fun with it. I didn't go into it with like any real rhyme or reason or nothing. I just wanted to get some foils done successfully. So here we go. We're going to line this up. This one is going to be considered my accent nail because it's covering the whole nail. I'm going to tap down these little flyaways on the sides. Pretty. I love it. It's going to work out great. And then now I'm going to clean my stamper off on my little lint roller. And then we're going to hop in with some of these little hearts that are over here. Turn that plate around. Got this little bitty heart. That'll be great for this skinny little pinky nail I got going on. And guys, I don't plan on like always doing stuff on tips. As soon as I can get my nails healthy, I will be back to doing things on my nails. But we had like a little catastrophe with the nails and they are just jacked. So it's going to be a while before I have healthy natural nails again. My own fault. I ain't blaming nobody else but me. It's cleaning off the excess with a little piece of tape and then grabbing me a nail and lining it up. Kind of doing them like wonky sideways, whatever. Get me another one here. And I do love this little MdU plate, Mundo de Unas. It's etched really well. I have never had any trouble out of any of the images that I've tried to pull from any of these plates from this company. Okay, that one's off to the side a little more than I wanted it to. I'm going to clean off my stamping plate. And I'm going to use this like little string of hearts to add kind of like a side border line beside this one that I just messed up because I didn't center it very good. See, it's all fixable. It's all doable. You just keep faking it till you make it, right? Gonna put that little line down the side. And that looks pretty good. Kind of straightened things out a little bit. Made it make sense. And then I'm going to clean that off because now that I've done that to that nail, I'm going to have to go back and do something to the other two nails that just have little hearts on them. You know, to make it cohesive. I'm all about some cohesive, right? No, not really. I just wanted it to look, you know, look good. I wanted it to look good. And ta-da! A little bit down on that one. Oh, there's not enough left on that stamper. I'm going to have to clean that plate again and pull that image one more time. And I really liked how this turned out. I thought it was a very good manicure. It came out like I kind of pictured it in my head. Mostly I just wanted them foils to work out. Them foils. Foolish foils. And then a little line on that one. So we're good. We're going to clean everything up now. We're going to clean that scraper edge off. A little stampy mat and the stamping plate. Clean up your stuffs as you go. That's how I do it. You can do it whatever way you want to. I've got a friend that just throws all of her junk in a basket. She says she don't want to mess her nails up, you know, cleaning up stuff while she's, you know, still tacky or wet or whatever. And I understand. But me, I have to clean up as I go. It's how I started doing it, and it's how I'm going to continue doing it because it's in my routine. All right. There we go. I'm going to top these with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Get them to dry down. And once that's dry, which takes like little to no time, I'm going in with the Eliana's Collection Quick Dry Top Coat. And I did get out there and look, and I can't find anything on Eliana's Collection anymore, so I guess they're not in business. I don't know. I'm going to be using these little glue tabs to apply these to my nails. And I loved how these look, because you guys know I love me some pink and purple. Look at that. Yum! Alrighty. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.